Spring April Showers Video Hop. Today I'm going to be using a stamp set by Trinity Stamps, and I'm also going to be using a rain stencil by Simon Hurley. And then it's sort of like a raise stencil. It actually was from Honeybee and goes with one of their three-part stencils for Under the Sea. It's actually supposed to be like the light shining through the water, but for today I'm using it for a rainbow. So I'm going to apologize now because this video is a little jumpy because I lost some footage. I was having some problems, you know, it never fails with my camera recording, and I just did not have the time to redo it over. So I just showed you some of the products I used there. I did change some of them as I went through this, um, but you'll see that. Now I did end up making 3 cards, but two of them you will not see me make just because I don't know what happened, but I didn't have the footage from it. So this is going to be a heavily coloring video. If you don't enjoy coloring, you are welcome to fast forward through that. Um, but so let's start here. I am going to make a rainbow using my Catherine Pooler inks. So I just pulled out, I wanted primary colors for these cards. And I should have probably used the Bristol Smooth cardstock so it would blend a little bit nicer. This is just, I think, like a Michaels Recollection cardstock. And man, can you tell the difference? Like when I blend on other cardstocks that are a little bit nicer, you can definitely um, tell the difference. It's a lot easier to blend on those cardstocks. So at first I tried to use my Trinity blender brush, but it was a little bit too big there, and I tend to be heavy-handed with things, so I was getting it under where I did not want to get it. So then I tried these little blender brushes I had, and those seem to work better. I had bought like a set, like everyone probably, on Amazon, and then I had actually bought a set at Target, these little purple ones, and I actually like that set a lot better. The ones that I did get at Target, they're very, I think they're too flexible. So I do use them since I have them, but boy, did this card really make me want to buy the Tailored Expressions blender brushes. I just think they are beautiful. It's just so hard to pay that price. So I don't know if any of you have those. Let me know in the comments if you love them, if it's worth the price. I just think they're so pretty, and it would be nice to have one for each color. The orange one I felt did get a little dirty because my brush was a little dirty. I thought I cleaned it good. I must not have, but I think by the end of the card you really don't notice. So off screen I'm just rubbing my brushes on my little stamp chamois, and then I'm just rubbing them like on a piece of paper or something. Normally I'd have another cloth there, but I just didn't get up to get one. And you will notice up on the top of the screen my kitty's little paw. He has been, like, whenever I go to craft lately, he has to be right there. And if I put him on the ground, he just comes right back. So this is the first part where I did lose some footage. So I'm using my Nuvo spatulas there, and I just taped down my stencil. Again, that was by Simon Hurley. And then I just use Brutus Monroe. It's called Berry, his glitter paste, um, to go over my rainbow. And I just thought that came out so pretty. I loved it. So that's going to be my first card. I did do a couple other cards, so you'll see those at the end. Now, I just decided to color the little boy on this one. I'll probably color the girl and use her on a future card. So I did put my Copic colors there to the left. The only ones I think I forgot to add to that paper were the skin colors. And normally I do the same skin colors. I use E09. E13, E11, E00, and sometimes I will not use the E09 if I don't want it that dark. So you can jot those down if you want. So I'm just going to play some music now while I color this, and I hope you guys enjoy and watch that. I love to watch people color. Now, I am not a professional Copic colorer, but I just do what I think is nice. I think sometimes I don't always have my light and dark in the right area, but um, I enjoy how it comes out, and you know, practice makes perfect. I actually have not used my Copics in some time now. I've been doing other things and just haven't had the time to sit down and color, so it's actually was really, really nice to pull those out. I had fun, and now it makes me want to color a lot again. So that's it. I'm going to leave you with some music, and then I will catch you at the end. Thanks. coming up with a theme. We are so appreciative that you're helping our small channels grow. We don't have ads since we are not monetized, so you can just sit and watch all of them without that. The hashtag, again, for this hop is going to be down in the comments, so you can click on that and you can find everyone's videos. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'm just putting some embossing here on the sentiments that I picked. And there is my first card, how it came out, and my second card, and then I'll show you my final card there. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again. Thanks, bye.